Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang napakagandang history tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Amerika na si Susan B. Anthony. Mayroong taon na 1979. $1. Tapusin lang natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys, dahil napakataas ang kanyang record dito sa ating auction. Umabot ng $11,500. So tapusin natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Historical information of 1979 $1 coins of America na si Susan B. Anthony. The 1979 US $1 coin known as the Susan B. Anthony dollar holds an important place in America numismatic history. Here's a detailed breakdown of its origin and significance. Number 1, the introduction. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was first US coin to feature of a real historical woman. It was minted to honor Susan B. Anthony in 1820 until 1906. A prominent women's rights advocate and key figure in the suffrage movement, authorized by the Dollar Coin Act of 1978. The coin was introduced to replace the larger Eisenhower dollar, making it more practical for everyday transaction. Number 2, the design features. From the obverse, front features a portrait of Susan B. Anthony designed by Frank Gasparo, the chief of engraver of the U.S. Mint. Her profile is surrounded by 13 stars representing the original colonies. The words liberty and the date 1979 appear on this side, along with the national motto, "In God We Trust." The reverse or back shown an image of bald eagle or eagle landing on the moon, holding an olive branch in its talons. This design is adapted from the Apollo 11 mission insignia, symbolizing peace and American achievements in space exploration. The words United States of America and the denomination $1 are inscribed. Number 3, physical characteristics. Materials made of a copper nickel clad composition, not silver, despite its appearance. Size approximately 26.5 mm in diameter, much smaller than the Eisenhower dollar. Age is rated. Number 4, public reception. The coin was not well received by the public. Its size and appearance were similar to the quarter, leading to confusion in circulation. Due to this lack of popularity, the coin was minted only from 1979 to 1981 and then again in 1999. Number 5, mint marks and variants. 1979. The 1979 coins were minted at Philadelphia. No mint mark. In Denver is D and San Francisco is. A notable variety from 1979 is the near date versus far date on coins minted in San Francisco. This distinction arises from the placement of the mint mark relative to the numbers in the date. Number 6, legacy. Although it was considered a failure in regular commerce, the Susan B. Anthony dollar paved the way to subsequent dollar coins like the Sacagawea and presidential dollars. Today, the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar is a collectible piece with historical significance, especially among numismatists. The auction record results of 1979 $1 of Susan B. Anthony. The 1979 of Susan B. Anthony dollar coins has seen various auction results, primarily influenced by factors such as mint mark, conditions, and unique characteristics. Here's a summary of notable auction records. Number 1, 1979 Philadelphia mint mark graded from PCGS MA65 in January 2014, sold for $3,818 $0.75 at the Heritage Auctions. Number 2, 1979 San Francisco mint mark graded from PCGS MS68 was auctioned, described as lustrous and gorgeously preserved, though the exact sale price wasn't specified. Number 3, error coins. The 1979 Philadelphia mint mark of Center's Strike. A 1979 Philadelphia mint mark dollars coins struck approximately 30% of center with a reverse wheel mark, sold for over $700. The 1979 San Francisco mint mark of Center Strike dollar coin struck from 75% of center, graded MS64 by PCGS, pitched $1,000 at the auction. Number 4, 1979 Philadelphia mint mark wide rim near date. This variety, characterized by a closer date to the rim, is more valuable in higher grades. For instance, a 1979 P mint mark wide rim Susan B. Anthony dollar graded MS66 by PCGS was listed for auction in January 2025. Number 5, general values. According to the Grecian Catalog, the Susan B. Anthony dollar series 1979 until 1999 contains entries with values ranging between $1.60 and $11,500, depending on the specific coin's attributes. It's important to note that while some of Susan B. Anthony dollars have achieved significant auction prices, many are valued closer to face value, especially in circulated condition. The coin's graded mint mark and any unique features or errors play crucial roles in determining its market value. So yun guys, ang ating mga nakuhang mga impormasyon tungkol sa ating barya guys na si Susan B. Anthony ng Amerika. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.